Reading.
IKEA. Come for the furniture, stay for the food. The IKEA furniture store chain was founded in Sweden in 1943 and now has its headquarters in the Netherlands. It has stores in 60 countries. IKEA is famous for designing and selling home items and furniture that consumers assemble themselves. Popular as the furniture is, 1/3 of IKEA customers in Taiwan visit the store just to eat in the cafeteria. Between 2016 and 2018, IKEA's food sales in Taiwan grew almost 30%. In 2018, Taiwan's IKEA stores had the highest food sales of all the IKEA stores in the world. What makes IKEA's menu so hard for Taiwanese customers to resist? One reason is that the prices fit most people's budgets. Even the most expensive single meal is only around $400 NT. Another is the food choices themselves, which are slightly different from those in other countries. Although IKEA's headquarters sets the majority of its restaurants' menus, IKEA Taiwan is skillful at changing the menu to satisfy local tastes. In addition to traditional Swedish meatballs, you can find fo tiao qiang soup at Taiwanese IKEA stores around Lunar New Year,